Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Gizga Essentials Aluminium stand for mobile and tablet. This is a very compact stand. It is for screen size up to 8 inches only. And what other information can we see over here? Yes, again. As you can see, there's some more information here. This particular stand comes with a portable design, has jet shine and smooth edges. It has silicone rubber cushion for maximum protection for your device. It also comes with anti-skid base and it has a perfect viewing angle. Let's open this box and take a look inside. So this is what the stand looks like. This is an aluminum stand but is also anodized, as you can see. So the idea is that the smartphone would be here and the charger can go through this hole over here. As you can see, this hole over here, so you can put the charger through there and connect the other end to the smartphone over here. Just give it a second, and when you connect the other side of the charger to a charging port, now this acts as a dock where your smartphone can rest and get charged. And that's all you find inside the box containing the Gizga Essentials G32 Aluminium stand for mobiles and tablets. Thank you for watching.